I'm back, and this is a review of power up connector in trap card. Here is electricity, there's a ball, thunderbolt, and there's a teeth of the electricity with holes on. And there's the slide up, and there's the electricity, and the description is equip this card into a face up with a robotic monster you control. It cannot declare on attack. When this card is equipped to a monster, select one face up monster on the field. Except the equipped monster, that monster gains 80k equal to the 80k of the equipped monster. The serial number is 785861116. First edition, and the number ID is EXVCEN064. Here's the trap card. Here's the electricity. Oh, you get grounded if you do that. There, thank you for watching, and this see you again soon for my other Yu-Gi-Oh card reviews. Hope for the next Yu-Gi-Oh card review, like, comment, and subscribe, and then see you again soon. Bye.